How do you set clear work expectations? Now, as a leader, you may think, that's my job. What do I need tips on that? Well, there's often a massive gap between what employees think the expectations are and what managers think the expectations are. And it's actually your job as the manager to fix that. So what you want to get better at doing is making expectations as clear as possible. Here's some tips to consider. First, be behaviorally specific. Don't tell people to show more initiative or be more collaborative. Tell them exactly what you want them to do that would be an illustration of those things. Second tip is check for understanding. That could be a simple question at the end of the conversation or see if they're confused by anything. But I actually had a manager who handled this really well, I thought. What she would do is after we talked through a long project that I needed to carry out, she would say, hey, if you wouldn't mind, in the next 30 minutes when you get back to your office, send me an email with your understanding of what I was looking for you to do. And she would clarify, I'm not saying this to be condescending. I just want actually you to make sure you feel clear on what I'm asking you, and I don't want you to feel confused, and so I want to be as helpful as I possibly can. Thanks for watching. Visit cruciallearning.com/saythat for more tips and resources for how to speak up when it matters most.